Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to sell a PDF on Payhip. So I'm going to walk you through a step and a straightforward guide on how to sell a PDF on Payhip. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account or go to payhip.com and log into your account credentials. Then from there on step 2, you have to click product and then add product. So from your dashboard, click on product in the top menu, then click add product. So on step 3, select digital product when asked what you want to sell. Then on step 4, you have to upload your PDF file. So to do this, click the upload area and select your PDF file from your device. So on step 5, you have to fill in a product details. So to do this, fill in your PDF, the title for your PDF, the description, then the price. You can set it amount or you can even set it as free. Then on the step 6, you have to add a cover image, which is very optional. So to do this, upload an image to make your product more appealing. Then after that, click add product to publish it. Now your product has a unique sales page. You can also share. When someone buy it, Payhip also handle the payment automatically and deliver the file. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.